So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of text animation without using any third-party plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition, and guys, composition name anything. Guys, duration I use like 10 second. This time 10 second. So press OK. Yeah. So next one guys, I take new text tool and type your letter like this, simple. And guys, alignment, yeah. Okay, so guys, center pivot, go to mid. Okay, now guys, I increase size, so increase like this, like 450, and again alignment, yeah. Right, see guys, that's my simple text. Okay, so now guys, I create zooming effect, so press S letter, that's my scale. So scale check, and guys, go to 10 second and scale size I like 110, simple, and play. Yeah, simple guys, right? Okay, see. Okay, so next one guys, select this text and pre-composition, like same, rename text. And now guys, this time I apply HDRI image, so that's my HDRI, drag and drop on here. Yes, right, see. Okay, so now guys, little bit increase this size, so press scale tool like this, like 120, yeah. Okay, so now guys, select this HDRI image, and this time I apply motion tile. So go to effect and preset and type motion tile, select and apply on HDRI image, right? Okay, so guys, click on here, mirror edge, and now I create guys animation, tile animation. So click on here, center, and go on 10 second guys, tile center like this, like 2000, yeah. So go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my simple effect, right? Okay, so guys, now this time pre-comp and like HDRI. So move all attribute check and press OK. Yeah. And guys, go to on here, use alpha matte. Yeah. So go to back and play. Yes. See guys, that's simple, right? Okay. So now guys, again go to effect and preset and type CC glass. Select your CC glass and apply on HDRI image. Yeah. So go to surface and bump map. I take this time text. Yeah. And guys, softness increase like double 40 and height double like 50. Yeah. And go to back and play. Yes. See guys, that's really smooth animation, right? It's really smooth. Okay. So now guys, go to light and light type, use point light. Yeah. Simple. Okay. So next one guys, I apply CC this time, globalizer, apply, and guys, same, use text. Yeah, it's beautiful shiny effect. And guys, decrease the softness, decrease like guys, take 10, half, yeah, much better. And cut away, decrease like 5. Okay guys, more, I like 2 is good. Okay, so guys, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my stylish text effect, right? Okay, so now, so guys, this time I apply particle. So take new solid layer and like particles. Yeah. Okay, so guys, use CC particle system 2 and apply on layer, this one, and play. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, go to here, birth rate, I like 0.2. Yes. Yeah. And guys, longevity like 5. Yeah. And go to produce here, and size increase like 100 and 100. That's my randomly size, radius. Okay, so guys, go to physical. Yeah, physical animation. Guys, velocity, this time 0.05. Yes. And velocity is good. Gravity guys, gravity I like 0. And resistance I like 1. Yeah, that's my small particle. Okay, so guys, now I go to particle, and particle type I use triangular, this one, try polygon. Yes, it's beautiful. And shift layer like this, increase size. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's beautiful. Okay, so guys, now I change birth size, this one, birth size I like 0.05. yeah, and depth size like 0.5 is good. And guys, size variant 100%, maximum opacity I like 100. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful, right? Okay, so next one, guys, this time I apply new solid layer. Actually guys, I take this time adjustment layer for color correction. Yeah, and guys, type curve. Guys, select your curve and apply an adjustment layer. Yeah, and guys, I create gold effect, gold, so use this time red and increase size like this. Yeah, beautiful. So guys, go to here, green, and increase green size like this. Yeah, it's good. And I go to blue, and guys, go to here. Yeah, much better. Okay, so guys, select this curve and duplicate. So press Ctrl D. Yeah, it's really beautiful. See guys, that's my final looking gold effect. Okay, so guys, now next one, I apply some star particles. So go to here, project, and import file. Guys, I have file, so select the stars. Yeah, and drag and drop on here. Guys, this time particle, go to down, select your star particles. Okay, so guys, select actually adjustment layer top, select this particle layer, go to down. Yes, and star particle, duplicate, Ctrl D. And guys, position, press P, go position, go to here. Yeah, beautiful. See guys, that's my star particles. And next one, guys, duplicate and press P, go to up. Yes, beautiful guys. See, that's my beautiful effect, right? Okay, so guys, my final text effect is finished. Now next one, I create simple background. So use solid layer, and solid layer rename BG, and color use black. So press OK. Yeah, go to down, last one, and apply ramp, gradient ramp. Select your gradient ramp and apply on background. Yeah, guys, switch layer, go on here like this, and guys, white to change dark red, and start color little bit red. Yeah, sexy red. See guys, that's my beautiful effect. See, it's really beautiful. Guys, you can increase more particles depending on your work. Particle and particle birth rate I like 0.3. It's dependent on your concept and work. It's beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. That's my final text effect without using any third-party plugin, right? So guys, if you like my video, please share and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.